Hi, hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will be making puff puff. Here I have 1 kg of self-raising flour. I'm sieving the flour. If you are new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. And for our returning subscriber, thank you so much for always supporting our channel. We love you so much. So the 1 kg flour is approximately 4 cups. If you don't have a scale, don't worry. Just measure 4 cups. Right, next I'm adding 1 cup of sugar. I'm also adding milk, powdered milk. This is optional ingredients. I'm making it for the kids, so I need it to be rich. And next is instant yeast. I'm adding 4 spoons. 1, 2, 3, 4 teaspoons of yeast. Next I'm adding grounded nutmeg. Just adding a teaspoon of nutmeg. Adding a pinch of salt. So I'll be mixing all my dry ingredients together. So for my wet ingredients, here I'm using milk. I'll be pouring about 400 ml of milk. And then I'll be adding hot water to it to make it warm. Now I'm adding hot water to the milk. So now I've got 800 ml of warm water and milk. So it's warm. You don't need it to be cold or hot. It needs to be warm. For a nice mixing time. You can use your hands to mix it if you prefer. Wow, this is the consistency it should be. Right, after mixing, all you need to do is to set it aside and give it time to rise. It should take about an hour or so to rise. So I'll be covering it with my foil, kitchen foil. I'll also place kitchen towel on it. Make sure you set it aside on warm area, the area of your home that is very warm to rise. Give it about an hour to rise. Please keep watching. Let's see, we're just unwrapping the puff puff. Wow, look at it. After setting it aside for an hour, this is the result. It has doubled the size. So what you need to do is just to take out the air bubbles. Just give it a mix again. Nice, ready now for frying. Right, it's time to deep fry it. I need a lot of oil. You can use any oil of your choice. You can use vegetable oil or olive oil or sunflower oil. But today I'm using sunflower oil. I'm just adding a bit of onion. That will help me to check if the oil is ready, it's hot enough to start frying. So to start scooping it in, I'm just going to apply a little bit of oil on my hand. You can use scoop if you want to, but I've learned this, so I'm showing off my skills. Wow, now it's time to start turning the puff puff to ensure the other side is fried as well. Right, where are you watching us from? Please don't forget to support our channel by liking, commenting, and subscribing. Subscription is free. Please hit the like button. Right, just keep turning the puff puff until it's all golden brown. And if you want to find out if it's properly fried, you dip the, oops, and then you check the stick. You can see, yeah, there's not any fresh dough. That means it's now ready. Wow, look at that. The puff puff is ready. Right, this is the second batch. Right, for the last batch, I'll be adding some scotch bonnet and onion. Right, this is for adults. Now the kids don't like scotch bonnet in their puff puff. I've tried it and I like it. You can try this as well. Okay. Right, the second batch is nearly ready. Wow, snack for the kids. Please support our YouTube channel by liking, commenting, subscribing, and put on your notification bell so that you get notified whenever we upload new video. Thank you for watching. Right, time for the last batch, the one with the onion and scotch bonnet. Try this, you will love it. Wow. The special one is ready. Right, wow, look at this. Our special puff puff is ready. I hope you try this at home. This tastes so nice. Please try this at home for your family. And please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and put on your notification bell so that you get notified whenever we upload new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.